Hi guys, we're just going to do a little review of the Shea system elevator and alarm. I made this myself, so this is not a real alarm system, and this is not in real life. Well, this procedure is real, but the code I invented is not real. Because this is not a real system. And the rest mode's not really real. So I'm going to show you the rest mode. So you have any choice. You can cancel but there is no button here that tells you to retry. But this shows you what button you pressed, and it will show a star right there. And if you hit the wrong button by accident, you have one way. If you want to retry it again, is press cancel and start again. And then if you hit the wrong button by accident or hit the wrong button by accident, it won't take the code until you hit confirm correctly. Anyways, let's demonstrate the arm system. Now we're going to arm. Since there's stay and away, we're going to demonstrate stay, and then we'll demonstrate away next. Arming, stay. That shows you what time you have left before the alarm is armed. So, system disarmed, ready to arm. Now we're going to demonstrate stay. Now we're going to demonstrate away. Arming away. Exit now. System disarmed, ready to arm. Okay, now guys, see you next time. There's your Shea system, elevator, and alarm system. That's it.